Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Grand Design Solitude 390RK. Now, we do have a 2021 video, but we just couldn't get our hands on the 2022 model before it sold and left our lot. So this 23 model will be a relatively new model, so stay tuned. And there's lots of changes, so I can't wait to get started. But let's start at our entryway. We have one entryway of this floor plan. You do get a really nice sized door with a window. It's not a friction door, but you do have a latch and a built-in screen door, so you got everything you need. Also in an entryway, we have all of these cabinets. So you have 4 cabinets you come straight to when you open the door. The top one is where all of our tanks and our manual slide controls are, and some of our lights, awning and porch lights. But most of our controls can be used and located through the one-touch control system that we have in the cabinet below. Also in that cabinet you see you have your fuse box and extra storage, and pretty much all the other cabinets are just extra storage as well. They have hanging rods in them for an extra coat closet and such. I don't see many places for shoes, but all of these closets, one of them could be turned into a shoe place if you need that for your family. Also, we're right next to our steps that goes up towards our private bedroom area. In our steps, you see we have a sweep-in receptacle. So if you're sweeping, you're spot sweeping, sweep it right in there and use your vacuum system that I would love to have in my house. And you do have that hose connector right here as well. That will reach everywhere in your camper, so you don't really have to worry about bringing a vacuum cleaner, even a handheld. So you just use this. How easy. But let's move on to our entertainment space. With this rear kitchen floor plan, it gives you a really designated space to have some amazing entertainment and family time. You have plenty of places for people to sit or watch TV, all of it in view of the beautiful TV area here. And check out these couches. That's the first thing that surprised me when I walked into this floor plan is these couches. It looks like some sort of modern luxury home. I will say that compared to the other ones, they are just as comfortable, if not more comfortable. These have all electric reclining features as well as a USB port. And those two are trifold sofas, so you do get full-size beds that basically meet here in the middle. Imagine the movie nights, it would be so awesome. One thing I do want to say that's different about these couches versus the normal Thomas Paine ones that I see, it doesn't have the Velcro in the back of the cushions to keep it up, but they are nice cushions. They stay up really well. And we have this different color palette, and they're even a little bit lower than a normal couch, just by maybe an inch or two. No big differences. But along with our amazing seating, we've got lots and lots of windows with all of these blackout curtains if you prefer your privacy. And we also have lots and lots of storage for your guests if they need a place to put their bags or even have extra linen stored for them. Our entertainment space is beautiful. I love the background accent of the shiplap feel. We have a big smart TV above this mantle. I could even imagine spending Christmas here, even in the middle of the mountains or a beach. This would be awesome to put the stockings up on. It's just like home. And of course, an electric fireplace that is a heater and has some really cool light settings that would be awesome for the kids. This is a really unique area, and if you're looking for entertainment, this is a really, really good floor plan, and the kitchen just makes it so much better. Let's go see. Well, in our kitchen space, there's lots to go over, but starting here at our stair entryway, we have to my right a large table option with 2 bar stool height chairs. They're very, very comfortable chairs, and this is a great place to work if you're looking to work remote from your RV. You also have some cord holes so you can hide those cords and plug them in below, and there's plenty of outlets and charging ports for all of your electronics. Also, to my left, when we first get into this area, is the amazing pantry that they add in that has its own light. I love that little switch. And down below here, the drawers that we all love. If you've got canned goods, maybe you can things at home and want to take them with you, you've got plenty of places to keep that and all your cereal and snacks. All of these cabinets are super sturdy and they do shut very easily, but they also stay closed so your groceries don't go flying everywhere. Moving on to our stove option, we have an Insignia residential size stove. This is a center point in and of itself. There's lots of amazing things about this kitchen, but I love this 4-burner top. Can you imagine everything that you can cook on it and in it? It's a really big oven. This is definitely residential. And we've got a few more drawers on the side if you need some spices while you're cooking. Up top, you have a Furrion hood with a basically just a fan running, and you do also have a vent fan right above your head, so we don't have to worry about it getting smoky or even overwhelming when we're cooking our breakfast. But right in the center point here, we have our island, and as you can see from this big blue sticker, it is a dishwasher prepped island, so you have plenty of storage down below as far as one drawer and a cabinet, so you could take all those out, add a dishwasher in. I've seen a lot of different types of dishwashers, and we can even do that here for you before you pick it up. Also in this little island, I love the charging towers. It helps if people are, hanging out, entertaining, need somewhere to charge your phone. It's out in the open. You don't have to worry about it. Or you can use this for prep space or a buffet, either or. But there are more options for that. Moving on, we have a residential size fridge. I like that the little travel thing is up here. You don't have to unscrew something and have it and not know where to put it or lose it. All you do is unlatch it from the little bungees, and now you're ready to go on your trip. Now we're looking all the way back to the back of the camper where you see all of this countertop space if we didn't have enough. We have a sink over here with a really nice window that looks out to wherever you're parked, so you can do your dishes or even just, wash your hands while looking out on your views. We also have some cabinet storage up here with its own light switch. You can switch those on and off. And extra storage all around and down below our sink. Ugh. Yeah, there's plenty of storage for recycling and trash cans because we have all of these different compartments. There is a trash can already in that one. And then we have one more over here. So if you're a big family and you don't have trash everywhere and you want to entertain, you have options here. To my left, you can see we have even more cabinet space and countertop space. This could be your buffet for sure. It's got plenty of places to put dinner-sized plates. We've got drawers and cabinets down below, as well as a little extra space for preparing underneath this microwave, because even as a camper, you often use your microwave to sort of reheat some of those things that you prepared for your trip. So now you have ample space to do that and produce lots and lots of food. But you also have a lot of walking space around here. As you can tell, I am, again, about 6 foot today with these shoes on. So if you've got more than one person kind of floating around the island, getting in the fridge or in the pantry, you're not going to feel really enclosed in here. And you've got lots and lots of windows to make it feel more airy and open. But let's take this party down the hall to the bathroom. Our bathroom is located just outside of the private bedroom. We also have a large window in that hallway that just floods it with light. And in here, we've got plenty of light as well because we do have a skylight that just, again, floods in the light. But we don't have any windows in here, which, some prefer, a little extra privacy. We also have plenty of places to hang out in here. I mean, one person could be talking. Say you have your significant other just likes to complain. They can complain from here while you are getting ready, and you won't feel like they're really in the way. You're just there to support them. But moving on, we have lots and lots of storage down below our sinks, as well as an extra large drawer down there. I really like how you get a his and hers sink, and all of our lights are on a switch, including the backlit mirror. It's gorgeous. And then they opted, instead of putting the separating storage compartment in the middle, they give you one big mirror and two mirrored front cabinets with storage on this side. So you've got plenty of places to put your medicines, both his and hers. And there's extra places for your towels next to the shower, but the shower itself is great. You can even sit in the shower with this amazing little bamboo stool here. It does fold back into the shower though. I love this shower. I always say it when I get into the Solitudes. They single piece fiberglass textured walls. I like how easy it is to clean. Spray it down. We have a removable nozzle head that we could clean it really easily with. And don't forget about the body jets and this rain shower head. Whoever is showering in here, whether how tall you are or small, or if you're just cleaning some stuff off, this is a multi-purpose area, and I appreciate that they make it so camping friendly. But let's move on to the bedroom. Here we are in the private bedroom that has a king-size bed that's super comfortable. We also don't have to sacrifice our side tables. They put those on even with a king size bed. I like the faux headboard we've got going on here, and I really love the windows that you get in here. You can see almost every side of this camper. That includes the outdoor entertainment space. We also have touch lights up here for each person, and you do get charging ports on the wall right outside the slide where the bed's located. We also have an amazing closet. Again, one thing I really appreciate them doing is putting these mirrored front in all of the closets that I've been seeing here lately. We've got nice full-length mirrors already added into your campers, because if you're doing the home away from home, of course you've got to be able to see what you look like. We also have plenty of storage for shoes in here. I really like that they fully finished everything. Everything has nice trim work to it. And we've got this curved hanging rod, so we've got plenty of places to hang things. I always say if you're packing for different types of trips, maybe fishing or off-roading or cool stuff like that, you may need some extra gear, and you've got places to hold it inside. We also have extra storage underneath the bed, and again, outside, we haven't even gotten there yet. There's so much storage. But last but not least, in here, we've got a dresser in front of our bed and another closet that you can remove these shelves and put a stackable washer and dryer in there, or you can maybe use it just for extra storage, fishing rods, things like that. This would be really convenient and private and secure. You don't have to worry about anyone getting into your camper. It is in your master, all secure. But I think it's time to move this party outside. Outside, we've got plenty of space for all of our chairs and our whole hangout area. We also have a really nice size awning with that light strip underneath. And again, those beautiful frameless windows that capture the view. We also have some marine grade outdoor speakers, as well as storage that is pretty simple and standard. It's massive and it's easy to clean out, but that's not it. There's more in the back of the camper. We've got plenty of places to put fishing rods, anything else you want to take for off-roading adventures, or maybe you like horseback riding. This is a great place to store your things, and this whole tray even slides out the back of the camper. I'm even thinking a bike could fit on this. If you've got some kids, they like to carry their bikes around the campground. This definitely can do it. And it all stays up. All of the compartments stay up and ready for unloading or loading or whatever part of the process you are in. But a little reminder, if you're interested in a camper or even looking to see what camper life is for 2023, check out our whole 2023 model year playlist. That's some of the new things that's on our lot. And leave us a comment below if you would like to see anything, or give us a call here at Cookeville RV and Marine. And don't forget to visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.